Welcome back everyone. Now we are going to learn about the number systems that we do have, where we are already familiar with the binary that is our machine language, right? So this is our machine language. It can only be understood by machine. Well, we can try to understand it, but why to learn something very complex when we have the translators? Well, that's the whole point here. Well, in the common world, we do have the numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these are the 10 numbers. These are known as decimal number system. Now let me tell you about the octa number system and hexa number system. Then we will discuss about why they are used and what are its significance. We will discuss everything one after another. Let's understand that first. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So here are the 8 numbers. Remember, the 0 is counted as the first numbers. That's why it's 8 number. And same for the decimal. That's why it is counted in 10 numbers. Okay, now hexa. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, B, C, D, E, and finally we have our F. I know what you're thinking, these are not the numbers, these are seeming like letters, and that's the whole point of it. And that's why we are using the hexadecimal number system. I will explain that in just 10 seconds later. So let's see what the binary is. 0 and 1. Well, the simplest one, right? So machines are simple, never call them complex. We are that much complex that we don't understand that level of the simplicity. That's why we make all the kind of science and technologies, and we need to learn all that things. Well, that's important in some ways too. Okay, now let's understand that why the decimal number system is used. Well, in very early days we have just have to count the natural number system, and then 0 is introduced in our world. So it's 0, 1, 2, and then till 9. And this is our the number system that we learn from our pre-nursery, kindergarten, or whichever class you have gone first. These are the numbers that we have learned, added, subtracted, multiplied, divided, and everything that is and can be done is done on the decimal number system. Well, it's the DNS form. So in the DNS form we have total 10 numbers. Okay, now let's understand that what is octa. Well, 0 to 8. 0 to 7. Yes, you get that. Very good. 0 to 7, it means this is octa number system, OCS, which is having 8 digits or 8 numbers, you can call it as in for simplicity. Well, why it is used? It is used in some of the devices to advance the storage. Like for example, let me tell you something very interesting here. Imagine you are sitting in your room, and you have so many things to place in your room. Okay, so when you have so many things to place in your room, just like here, let's have a little bit of animation so that you can understand the better thing. Well, if you keep the things like here, 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 and here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here, well, this seemingly like different, and you are just putting the things here and there. So what I am wanting you to focus here is, if you organize it in a better way, that will be helpful. And that is known as, in our common world, it is known as interior designing. Either you are doing by yourself, or you are calling an interior designer that is designing and telling you that where to place what and how to get the space and get more spacious area. Still you are having the same amount of the things, but in efficient way. So yes, it's all about the efficiency. So we have to take care of this word, because as much as efficient we get, that much our thing happens in a broader and better way. Now let's see that what are the hexa number system. This is E. Never get confused with that. We will encounter with this thing many times often. Okay, so hexadecimal number system is 0 to F, right? So 0 to F, we have 0 to F thing. So in the 0 to F thing, what we are actually learning, this is 16 numbers, 16 digits, right? Like 0 to 9 is 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is the F, and which is counted to be the 16th term. So there are 16 numbers, you can say, and this number system is called as hexa number system, HNS. Why this is getting used? Well, if you have ever encountered with the ASCII code, ASCII, or even don't worry about that, like you are seeing the colors right now on your board. You are seeing the red color with white color with blue color with yellow color, all the kind of the colors, and you are using so many colors often. Either we have great images and with great amount of the pixels that is included with the clarity. In the simple word, it's all about the clarity and the number things. So how a machine which only knows the 0 and 1 going to classify that this is red, this is blue, this is black, this is white, and all that such kind of the things? It gets very complex for it. So each color is associated with a number, like 0. Let's say, for example, let's take one example here. I tried to give you a masterpiece of the example. Okay, just beside the number system, let's write something. 0 1 1 0 A E F. Now this is not for the red color, but just to give you the example, I am writing this so that you can understand that this is carrying so much of the information, like so much of the information really, because octal number system is having limitation that it can only work for the 8 numbers, decimal number system for 10 numbers, and now we have 6 more even than the decimal, and that too with the same storage. Means it's all about the spacing. In the same space you have more data or more information, so you are telling your machine that which color, which shade, which type of the thing you are putting into it. So for the coding purpose, hexa is a great thing, and in the entire microprocessor thing, we always used to read and study the hexadecimal number system. But with all that such advancements, nothing is going to change. Binary is still the king for the machine level language, because ultimately machine knows it's off or on. So it's all about the binary. So now we need to understand that how to convert binary into decimal, octa, hexa, and vice versa, so that we can communicate with the machine in our efficient way. And with that, we will also understand that what is the meaning of the efficiency and all the such things. So get ready and get excited for that one. We are going to reveal that, work on it in the next one. So stick with this. Take care, God bless, and see ya.